Warning! Watching Reactive Terrain RC may cause sudden urges to buy just one more micro RC. Side effects may include angry spouse, living room converted into crawler course, and uncontrollable impulse RC purchasing. Viewers' discretion is advised. Terms and conditions apply. Reactive Terrain RC accepts no responsibility for loss of savings accounts, late night AliExpress browsing, arguments with the other half, or mystery appearances of yet another RC package on your doorstep. By watching this video, you automatically agree to them terms and conditions whether you read this or not, which is probably not really the case because honestly, whoever listens to this part will read this part anyway.
Are you ready?
No.
I'm not ready. Do you think they're ready?
No.
The wettest, the muddiest,
and the craziest one we've ever done.
Is it waterproof?
Well, it's something proof.
It needs to be. This is the reckoning.
"20 rigs. 5 teams of 4. Not all of them will pass the finish line. Some will never see the end. Others will thrive in victory, while the rest pick mud from their teeth. Teams will have to endure over 1 hour of trail time. They will have to work as a team, problem solving this entire terrain using winches, sandrails, and their environment. This is Reactive Terrain's famous FCX24M Camel Trophy Series.